Hey guys, Kotyu Games here, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another Idle Heroes video and we are on Patrick's account where we're gonna open 150 train coupons. As you can see, Patrick already cleared Void Campaign. He's ranked top 50, pretty cool. He cleared most of the PvE content in the game, that's why we're going for the new train treasures, which are mainly focused on PvP. First, let's check his train bonuses here. Fixed attack 1.1 million attack, HP 7%, fixed HP 95 million and 5% attack, a lot of speed, and as you can see, he has a lot of treasures. Let's quickly check. Okay, alien desserts, not bad. Forgotten artifact, he has a lot. Hero tokens, okay. Arcane jewelry, okay, he's investing in that. He went for the festival treasures a couple of months ago, and now we'll be going for the Magic Academy. So he said that he wants to get a couple of those magic books, which will buff his speed in IDA and free team up arena. Also, I really like, I think, the cheese control immunity offset. Actually, I think it was the frog. Crit damage reduction. Also, the broom is pretty good. Holy damage. And this one is giving dodge offset. Reduce dot. I think there was... Okay, damage reduction by attack. This one is also good. The demon and the hat is giving control immunity. So the pink, orange, red treasures are pretty good. Also the green ones are giving armor break and precision, so not bad. We have 150 coupons, so let's start with the summons, and I'm hoping that we can get a lot of treasures here. So let's go back, let's collect, and we have to select the special search. So wish me luck, guys. We have 150 coupons. Hopefully we can get a lot of artifacts for Patrick. Let's start with a 10 bomb. Let's go. Open. Okay, we've got the onion and the ink. Not bad. Let's do 110 bomb without skipping the cutscene. Come on. Give us the speed, please. Shards, more shards, come on. Give us a whole treasure, please. Not only shards, come on. Okay, only fragments. Let's skip the cutscene, let's do 10 more. Come on, please give us something good. Shards again, come on. Okay, only shards again, come on. Okay, we've got a whole artifact. Come on, give us the speed, please. Okay, the book, but in the form of shard, unfortunately. Let's go 110 more, come on. Give us the book, please. Okay, we've got the watch, the pocket watch. Okay, finally we've got the book, guys. We've got some speed for Patrick in IDA and free team up arena. Let's go 100 more. Can we get the book again? I'm just gonna open all this time. And we've got only shards, unfortunately. Let's go again. Come on. Give us the book again. Okay, we've got a red one. not bad. Second one, purple. Okay. 80 more, come on. We want the book, please. Okay. We've got the demon and the mirror, not bad. 2 whole fragments. 70 left, let's go. I'm gonna do them one by one again. Come on, give us the book, not this one. The frog is also okay. Only fragments. Let's go, 60 more. Let's open O and let's see. Come on, give us a whole fragment, please. A whole piece, not a fragment. Come on. Okay, the book. Come on, let's go. Finally, some good luck here. And we've got the hat. Not bad. 50 left. Let's do them one by one. Okay, shards. Can we get one more book? Nothing. 40 more. Let's open them all and let's see what we're gonna get. Come on, give us the book. Okay, we've got the hat. And that's it. Not bad. 30 left. Let's go. We're gonna open them one by one again. Come on. Give us a whole piece, please. Okay, we've got the mushroom. It's a green one. And the broom. Pretty good. 20 left. Let's do a 10 bomb. Let's open them all at once. Come on. Unfortunately, only shards. And last 10. Let's see what we're gonna get. Let's open them one by one. Come on. Can we get another book, please? Come on. Okay, the frog. Not bad. Okay, I think that's it. So let's see. Let's quickly assemble here. What do we have here? The book. Okay. Let's select all and let's quickly ascend. Select all. Not bad. Let's check now the stats. Magic Academy. So we've got the book. 40 speed. Not bad. We got 2 books. We've got the principal hat. Control immunity. We've got also the demon. So damage reduction by attack. Not bad. Okay, we've got a couple of treasures actually. So the bow is giving reduced dot. Where were we? The wand, actually it's a mace, dodge offset. We got the broom, holy damage, perfect. The frog, crit damage reduction. We've got the naughty onion to 2 stars, so fixed HP and fixed attack, pretty good. We've got the grumpy magic mirror, armor break 4%, not bad. What about the mushroom? Magic Academy, damage reduction, okay, 1 star. We have the Magic Academy untagged potion, fixed HP, fixed attack, 2 stars. The book is giving again fixed stats. What about the compass or pocket watch? Fixed HP. Okay, Magicking again, fixed HP, and the quill is giving fixed attack. Not bad. At least we've got the book for Patrick. Let's check the treasure bonuses now. Fixed attack 1.2 million and fixed HP 111. I think when we were starting, the fixed HP was 90 million, so that's a pretty huge boost. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.